Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable voice match and any offline hot word detection so wake recognition happens locally. Once done, move the device to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet for lower latency. Next, close battery-heavy apps and disable background sync that competes for CPU and network. These actions reduce the time from wake word to response. You're removing delays before you even touch any assistant settings. Now optimize assistant behavior itself. Disable unused routines and contextual features that add processing steps. Fewer conditional checks equal faster replies. Make sure the assistant language is a single primary locale rather than multiple languages, because a single model selection reduces parsing time. Then give the device network priority in your router's CoS or assign a static IP to avoid DHCP delays. These changes streamline both local processing and network access, so responses arrive quicker. Finish by rebooting the Google Assistant device so all settings take effect, then run a sequence of your common commands to measure responsiveness. If responses are still sluggish, repeat the targeted tweaks, disable one extra feature at a time, and retest to isolate the culprit. As a key troubleshooting tip, check for Wi-Fi channel overlap and any background uploads or backups consuming upstream bandwidth. Resolving those often removes remaining latency and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.